This is Hannah with the McLaren Real Estate Team and Trek, presenting you with 361 Harvest Hills Court, a brand new detached home in the heart of the very mature community of Harvest Hills. This place is gorgeous. Let's go have a look. This beautiful home boasts over 2,600 square feet of living space, as well as the unfinished basement, which has a rough-in for the bathroom already. You've got great light coming in. Your whole back side is windows, plus you're backing onto this green space. So you've got your own beautiful yard right on this great walking trail through the community. So it's quite nice. The finishings in the kitchen are beautiful. You have this nice dark wood cabinetry contrasted with these light countertops, plus a walk-through pantry. So you come right from your garage, bring the groceries into your nice large pantry and into the kitchen. Really lovely setup. On the second level, you have a lot of great space here, one of them being this beautiful bonus room. So very easily a media room, reading room, a homework room for the kids, and then right down the hall, you have your two secondary bedrooms, spacious enough to easily fit a double queen bed, second full washroom, and then all the way down in your own private area is the master suite, complete with a beautiful ensuite, separated stand-in shower, plus a tiled-in bath, and a very spacious walk-in closet. You might be guessing where I am. I'm on the third level of this home. So you come up from the second floor to this beautifully done room, complete with a nice wet bar. Could be a coffee bar, could be a different kind of bar. And then you go out onto your lovely patio. It is covered, so you can enjoy it rain or shine, and it's a great space to hang out. We've only shown you just a few aspects of what this wonderful home has to offer. Trust me, it's a lot better in person. So if you like it, come have a look. You can call our team at McLaren Real Estate. There is more information linked in the description below, as well as links to all of our social media. And really appreciate if you like the video, share it with someone you know, and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Until next time, keep it real.